What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Simo Pills back with another video, man. Back with another video. First and foremost, I want to appreciate everybody for all of the love that you gave me on my previous video. If you have not watched that video yet, it's the truth behind trading, episode 1. Should you join MLMs? So for all of my people that's trying to become traders, different things like that, you should watch that video so you should know how you should go about starting your trading journey. Of course, it's not going to be easy, so we have to figure out the different things and have the different knowledge. That's going to be the first thing you need to know about trading is your knowledge. You have to expand your knowledge within the industry, because it's a lot of people that is in the industry. They're frauds. They do different things. So you need the proper education and how you should actually start. You have to know how to start to be able to finish. So go back and watch that video if you haven't watched it yet. But in this video, I'm going to be doing the truth behind trading part 2. So this is episode 2 of the truth behind trading. So the topic that I want to get into today is understanding who you're trading with within the market. So as a human, I don't have a lot of money to throw into this market. I'm not throwing millions and millions and millions of dollars into this market. I'm not risking millions and millions of dollars. So understand that we're trading with banks and hedge funds. So fact number 1 about this. So if you're watching this video right now, you have a savings account within your bank. Understand that when you have that money in that savings account and at the end of the year, you realize that you got like a 1% gain on it. Understand that when you have that money into your your savings account, the banks are trading with your money. The banks are making millions of dollars with your money. So what we have to understand, when we're trading with these big banks, they have unlimited amount of money. They have unlimited amount of money. So we have banks and then we have hedge funds. Hedge funds have millions and millions of dollars to play with. So those are going to be your big market movers, and those are institutional traders. So what we're going to have is retail traders, and that's going to be people like me and you. So we decided we want to get into the market to make some money. What we're going to do is we're going to use our little bit of money. We're going to get into the market, but it's not going to move the market. But those people with, big old amounts of money, unlimited amounts of money, like the banks, those are your market movers. So what a lot of people are going to teach you, they're going to teach you basic knowledge to be a retail trader, but they're not going to teach you how do obviously you're not going to be able to trade with the banks. Let's just be realistic. You're not trading with the banks. You don't have much money. You don't have enough money to be, a big whale within this market. So you're going to be trading with banks and hedge funds. You want to trade with them as much as possible rather than against them as much as possible. So when you get into this market, you have to understand what you're risking. Yes, it's going to be a risk if you don't have the proper knowledge. So what you do to go ahead and get started trading, you don't want to go in very, very blind. You want to go in with intention to win. Understand that once you get the skill down pat, it's going to be something that's probably going to become your mainstream. So when you get into the foreign exchange market as a retail trader, the market is designed for you not to win. The market is designed for you not to win. So if 1 million retail traders are trading within this market, 10% of the people is going to win. Honestly, because to trade into the foreign exchange market, to go ahead and get started within it, you have to have a forex broker. So with these brokers, I'm just going to give you a little bit of names. Hugo's Way, KOT Forex, Osprey FX, you got Eagle FX. Those are just different brokers. So what those broker jobs are to do is to take your money. So let's say you get a broker with Eagle FX, you open up an account, you fund up money. So now, once you fund up that money is the broker's money. That's not your money. That's money for you to trade with within their broker, but it's still their money because you put it into their broker's account, their system. So when you're losing money within the market, they make money off of that. When you get into a trade, they have a swap fee. They get money off of that. When the market closes at a certain time, they get money off of that. Also, every time that you get into a trade, you're always going to be red. That's a commission fee, and that's going to be between you and the market. So they're going to make money off of that as well. So when you hit stop loss and things like that, so if you get into a trade and you have, somebody say buy something, you have a stop loss and you have a take profit. So when you put that stop loss and say if the trade go ahead and hit stop loss, you lose money. So when you lose money, the broker wins money. So they're going to design the market to where you don't win, obviously, but we have to know the proper knowledge to win. So when you have those stop losses in, we have this such thing as we call stop loss hunts within the market. And it usually happens before every session times breakout. So say if I sent out a signal to 1 million people, and 1 million people, let's just say I said buy, Euro CAD. If I told everybody to buy Euro versus the Canadian dollar, and we all set the same stop loss, your broker can see that. Your broker can see that. So what they're going to do at certain times is they're going to come down, go ahead and hit our stop loss real quick. And then they're going to push the market right back to where, it came from, and go in the right direction that you wanted to. You have to understand trading in the market manipulation. The market is going to manipulate. Like I said, it's not designed for you to win. Us people, we're not supposed to win in the market. But since we invested so much time and, effort and, sleep and things like that, we're able to win in this market because we learned the skill. But once you have the skill, the market manipulation, you're going to be successful within this market. Fact number three. Within this market, I'm going to tell you right now, if you're looking to gain money within 30 days, 1 month, this is not something for you. If you're looking to get rich, in 30, 60, 90 days, it's not something that's for you. If you're looking for it to be a quick dollar, it's not going to be for you. But if you're looking to create generational wealth, that way you learn a skill set you can teach your kids can teach their kids, they can teach their kids. This is going to be something that's for you. Understand that people that make millions out of this market, we have to look at the real world. We have 40-year-olds, 50-year-olds, even 60-year-olds that's not even having 6-figure income. But you have people that come into this, within 1 year, 2 years, they're making 6-figure income, 7-figure income. What I'm going to say, what my point is, do not rush your success. There's a lot of young people that come into this market. What I mean by young is, even 30, 20, 30, 40, that's considered young to me. So when you come into this market, do not rush your success, because if you rush your success, the market is not going to be very, very friendly to you. So this is not something that's going to get you rich quick. This is something that's going to break generational curses. So it's once you learn the skill set and you actually put the time into it, you have to invest. The biggest thing is going to be invest, because you have to invest money to make money. So the biggest thing is going to be investing into your knowledge, investing into your success. That's what's going to make you wealthy within this foreign exchange market, because once you learn it, nobody can take it away from you. And this is my last and final fact for this video. This is my last and final fact for this video till we wrap up episode 2 of The Truth Behind Trading. If you are a person that personally lacks confidence, if you lack confidence, and I'm not saying the way you look, but in your mind, because trading is going to be 90% of inside of your mind, and it's going to be 10% skill. So if you lack patience and confidence, because you have to have confidence, if you are a person that has put a lot of time within this market to learn it, and you're not confident in the signals that you're going to be giving yourself, then you're always going to get out emotionally. And that's what we want to take out of trading, is the emotion game. So your confidence is going to help you stay in your trades longer, not pulling out of trades early before it's max take profit. It's going to help you not pull out of trades red when that emotions build up. You've been red so long and you just want to get out of it because you don't want to lose money. Your confidence in your trade setups is going to be the biggest thing. It's a mind game. You have to make yourself busy within this market so you're not just continuously looking at your screen, because we understand that we want to make money so fast and we're not patient as people, and that's just common as a human. But we have to be able to control our patience and control our confidence. You have to have that same confidence level every single time you get into a trade. So that's going to be very, very important when you're trading in the foreign exchange market. But that's going to be the conclusion of this video, episode 2 of The Truth Behind Trading. We're going to continue this. Make sure you stay tuned to every single video that I drop. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, Simo Pitts Family, so you can become part of that. Going to continue to drop videos for y'all, and I'm going to make sure everybody gets the truth behind trading, because you're going to need it. I'm out.